Hello everyone, today let's talk about the three amazing Arduino boards: Uno, Leonardo and Nano. Which one should you start with? Let's find out. Arduino is a small computer board. You can use it to control lights, fans and etc. and even build cool project like this one. Just upload some code and you are ready to go. First is the Arduino Uno. This one is the Arduino Uno. If you are just starting out, this one is the right choice for you. And this one is small and very strong. Next one is the Arduino Leonardo. This one is special because it can act like a keyboard and mouse. You can make fun tools like keyboard and mouse. Now is the Arduino Nano. This one and the Uno both are same, but this one is portable. It can act like a portable Arduino. You can use it to make portable project or like wearable and etc. So which one should you choose? For beginners, Arduino Uno microcontroller. For USB projects, Arduino Leonardo. For tiny projects, Arduino Nano. Pick one and start creating. So if you find the video useful, then hit that like button and give a comment which Arduino board you use. Thanks for watching.